Welcome to this video presentation here at Wimbledon Carriage Company. Here we have the Maserati Grecale GT. It's on a 23 plate, as you can see. I'm going to start off firstly by showing you around the outside of the car, and then we'll hop in and run through some of the controls on the inside of it. From the outside, you can see it's a 5-door car with alloy wheels. We're going to start off inside its boot space. First, the tailgate on this car will open electronically. As we approach the back of the car, you can see we have reversing sensors. Those 4 tailpipes, plenty of boot space. You can increase this space should you wish to by folding down any or all of those rear seats as well. Okay, so we're just going to work our way back around to the front of the car, and as I mentioned, we'll then hop in and run through some controls from there. Now that we've done a full circle of it though, you can see firstly the alloy wheels are in pristine condition, as is the bodywork the entire way around this fantastic looking car. Just briefly before we climb in, I think it's well worth seeing the interior from this exterior point of view. There's plenty to run through on this dashboard, so let's hop in and we'll do that right now. Okay, now that we're inside the car, we're going to start with the dials. Over on the left-hand side, we have the rev counter, the coolant temperature gauge. On the right-hand side, the speedometer for the car. We have a digital readout for the speedometer in the center as well. Also in that central section, we've got a trip computer, so you can change the information that's displayed here for various things, including, of course, the digital readout for the speedometer that you see on screen just there. At the bottom of that section, you can get the total miles for the car visible. They are 13,027. If we back out to the steering wheel next, on the left-hand side with the buttons I was just using, we have our phone controls, voice activation. The start and stop button for the engine itself is down in this bottom left-hand corner as well. On the right-hand side, we can change the driving mode of the car. We have cruise control and speed limiter as well. And then into the center, firstly, the clock, as you can see, and then this massive touch screen. So you can come back to your home screen up in that top left-hand corner. From there, you can access your satellite navigation, your audio options. So just tap on whichever one of those you want to open up. So for example, you could search for a route. It will open up your sat-nav screen fully, which is, as you can see, a really wide color display on this car. You can also access your options down on the left-hand side. So your audio, where you've got your FM, DAB radio, you've got Bluetooth audio, USB input. You can pair up your phone in order that you can use the Bluetooth audio and, of course, make and receive phone calls. We have a vehicle menu, and then in the bottom left-hand corner, an apps menu where you can pair up your Android Auto, for example. If I pop the vehicle into reverse, you'll also see a full-color reversing camera and a visual guide to the parking sensors for this car as well. On the screen directly below that, or just above the screen, first of all, are your gears. So park, reverse, neutral, drive, and manual, where you can change gear using the paddles behind the steering wheel. We, of course, are in park currently. We then have our climate control screen. So you are able to adjust the passenger temperature, the driver temperature, the fan speed up and down from there. You can determine where you'd like the air distributed once it enters the car, and you can do that independently for both driver and passenger. You can turn your air conditioning off, back on, or you can hit auto. In doing so, the car will take full control for you to maintain the temperatures that you've asked for, and you can override that by making any manual adjustment. You'll see auto has now gone off. We can also access our heated seats from there as well, and the memory seats, so you can set them to where you like. At the very bottom here, we've got our electronic stability. We've got downhill brake control, stop and start, parking sensors you can turn on and off as well. So loads of features, and the volume for the stereo is just on this slider to the left-hand side of the screen as well. We have some storage underneath that, as well as here, and 2 cup holders. Last thing I wanted to talk about is the paperwork we have here. So the V5 registration document, of course, showing it's a one-owner car from new. In this envelope is the spare key for the vehicle, and in this one is the spare wrist key with a strap that you can attach to you. All that leaves me to say is thank you for taking the time to watch this video. If you'd like to come and see the car for yourself and have a test drive, or you'd like a live bespoke video tour, please feel free to give us a call here at Wimbledon Carriage Company. We'd love to hear from you.